Do you see the subconscious programming in that? It's wicked. It's wicked, man. I'm telling you, man, it's wicked. And that's what, you know what I'm saying, I'm maximizing off of this day just to bring people into awareness of the programming of their mind into thinking that they actually cannot heal. They actually have been programmed into thinking and brainwashed to thinking that they cannot heal. Like hypoglycemia has to control your life. Like you literally, like you have to get your limbs chopped off. No, you're actively making a decision to eat disease, refined sugars, starches, mucus producing foods. You're making a conscious decision to do that. You're making a conscious decision to say, now I'm not even going to say a conscious decision. Your conscious is projecting out what your subconscious is programmed to do. We just say, I need something convenient to eat, so I'm going to go through this drive-through and get this fast food. Dang. So you mean to tell me you don't have enough control over yourself to say, nah, I'm a fat. Before I eat death, I'll fast. Nah, because you're not thinking for yourself. Your vagus nerve has been infiltrated by microscopic organisms controlling your brain up into the neurons and the neurotransmitters in your brain, causing you to have cravings to support the lifespan of the parasites and the bad bacteria that's in your gut. Man, listen. If I said I had a specialty, it would be gut flora. Definitely. The second brain. You know what I'm saying? But see, we got to start understanding the programming first of what's happening to us and making us think like this in the American westernized diet. Man, I'm telling, listen, they're going to start putting more stuff in the food. Bill Gates is buying land and manufacturing seeds that have RNA technology in it. Nanoparticles that can actually infiltrate and alter the mitochondria in your DNA. This thing is getting serious, man. Serious, man. Y'all think it's really a game. I put y'all in this group for a reason, yo. I put y'all in the group for the reason. It's up to y'all to wake up and see how valuable this is, yo. For real, man. See how valuable you are, yo. You're the heroes, yo. You got to step into your heroism and be like, you know what? Enough is enough. It's time for me to take care of myself. It's time for me to take care of my health. It's time for me to take control of how I live and not let the way that I live control me. For real, man. They shadow banning me, man. They ain't letting people see. They're not letting people see a lot of my posts, my stories. People with thousands of followers, only 10, 11 people seeing their stories because they're spreading the truth. I just want y'all to think about that, man. I just want y'all to think about that because it's about to get serious. We about to come into some serious times. You know what I'm saying? People think Revelation is the end of times. No, it's a new era. It's a new era is about to come in. A new era in time is about to come in where things transform and take a different stages in society and life. To start over, to reform, to shift. Gotta get right within, man. Gotta get right within, man. Anybody, yo, man, book a one-on-one with me consultation if you really serious. I dare you. I dare you to make a $20, $25 investment in yourself that can change your life forever. I dare you. Rather than going to the doctor, they're going to prescribe you some medicine that's going to tear your renal system up, tear your liver apart. All your vital organs are going to be done damaged. Liver not even able to produce the HDL cholesterol levels that you need. They're not the right ones enough. You got high triglyceride levels in your blood, plaque build up in your arteries and all of that. They giving you manufactured magnesium pills when you can get it from a plant. Real, man. I'm a food revolutionist, man. Trying to, man, listen, man. I love y'all, man.